Hello students, welcome back. So now I will show you how to perform automation using N8N. So the task that I'll be performing would be this. This particular program is going to be checking weather every single hour, every hour, and then it's going to send you an email. So this is my end result right here. So this is the one, this node is responsible for sending an API, for making an API call every 1 hour. And the API call is made to this particular website, OpenWeather. And when the API call is made over here, you get the data, which is the weather data, and then you extract the temperature from the weather data. And then you send the temperature to your Gmail account right here. So when I run this program, it will actually, this is how I got my hourly weather right here. So it shows me the current temperature is this in my city. So this is what we are going to be designing. First thing I'm going to do is create a workflow. So go ahead, click on create workflow. So I'm going to be calling this as a weather workflow. So go ahead, click on this right here and just enter weather workflow. That's the name of my workflow. And now we're going to be adding some steps. So go ahead, click on add first step. And you will see this option. So in this case, I'll be actually creating a trigger, and my trigger is going to be running on a schedule right here. So it's going to be on a schedule trigger. So go ahead, click on this. Now I want my trigger interval to be hours. So if you click over here, you're going to see all these options right here. You're going to see seconds, minutes, hour, days, weeks. So I'm going to choose hours. So go ahead, click on hours, and hours between the triggers. I want exactly 1 hour between my trigger and trigger admin. Okay, so this is looking good. I'm happy with this. So go ahead, close this now. This is saved. Now, every 1 hour, I wanted to schedule a trigger. I wanted to trigger an API call. So go ahead, click on this right here. And I wanted to actually go to this website and grab the weather from here. The website is weather right here. I just type weather and you're going to see this open weather map right here. So go ahead, click on open weather map. And now you're going to see this page right here. So you'll see two options, return current weather data, return weather data for the next 5 days. Well, I do not want for the next 5 days. I want current weather data. So go ahead, click on this. And now you're going to see this option right here. You're going to see credentials, operations, format, and so on and so forth. So you need a credential. In other words, you need the API key. So let's go ahead set it up. So click on edit. And I already have set up this thing up. So let me just go and remove this one and start all over again so you can see. So this is how it looks like. So go ahead, click on set up credentials, and you have to enter your token over here. So you have to go to this website, openweathermap.org, and you can look it up on the Google and then click on this API key right here. Click on API key, that will take you to this page right here. And then all I did was copy and paste this code right here. So this is my API key. I just copy this. If you're not seeing anything over here, just click on generate and that's going to generate a new key for you. You can copy and paste that key. So after I did copy and paste, just come over here and paste it over here. That's my key. I did not copy. Let's just come here. Let's try it again. Copy this. Control C. Back over here. Control V. And there you go. All right, it's good. So click on save now. No thanks. Now, format, I want metric. This is good. Location. So I want to actually get the weather by city name. You can actually get the weather by city ID, coordinate, zip code. You have all these options. I'm going to go by the city name. And the city weather that I want is, let's say, New Delhi. New Delhi. Type New Delhi. And okay, this looks good to me. So this is my input. It's going to come from here. And right now, there is no input except just a trigger coming from here. And it's going to generate some out. All right. So this is looking good. And yeah, I'm happy with this. So go ahead, close this thing now. And this will be stored now. Now I'm going to run this just to see what the output looks like. So you can actually run individual node, by the way. It's okay. So click on this and node executed successfully. This is good. So let's double click on this and let's see the output. And this is my output right here. So you can see the temperature right now is 34.45. Also tells me what it feels like. What's the minimum temperature, maximum temperature, pressure, humidity, sea level, ground level. It gives me all this type of data for the city New Delhi. All right, so far so good. Now my next step is going to be, I want to pass my data. I want to pass this data to my Gmail. So go ahead, click on this plus. That's going to create a node. And since I want to give it to Gmail, so go ahead, type Gmail right here. And you will see this Gmail up here. So go ahead, click on this. And now you're going to see all these options like add a label to the message, delete a message, get a message. So somewhere over here, you're going to see send a message. So go ahead, click on send a message. That's what we wanted to do, right? Now credentials, you have to create your credential. I already have created a credential. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to show you how to create scratch. So just come over here. I'm going to delete this. Yes, delete. Okay, so we're going to sign up manually. Just click on sign in with the Google. Or click over here and you're going to come across the screen right here. So enter your email. This is the email I'll be using, right? And coming back down over here, you have all these options like what type of access do you want to give N8N? So I'm going to go with the manage draft, send emails when you interact with the add-on. Okay, see and okay, manage draft, read, compose, send emails from your Gmail account. Okay, I'm going to give this to them. Okay, I'm going to give everything, all this. If you want, you can give all the access, not an issue. Later, make sure you delete that if you do not want certain information, certain access to your email. So in this particular instance, what I'm doing, I'm saying read, compose, send emails from your Gmail account. All right. So this is good. Resource is message. Operation is send. All right. Come down over here and click on continue. So account connected successfully. That's great. So my resource is message. Operation send to. I want to send it to ash322.ash42@gmail.com. Subject is hello world. That's it. HTML type. I'm going to choose this email type as text. I would not choose HTML type. Message. The message would be the current temperature is, oh, look at the spelling of temperature is all messed up. Temperature is, and then I'm going to grab this temperature. So go ahead, click on this JSON right here. So after you click on JSON, you'll see this JSON format. You can just drag this temperature, just grab this and drag this guy and put it over here. And there you go. The current temperature is $JSON.main.temp. All right, so this is good. So this is how the output will look like now. So I'm happy with this. This is good. So go ahead, click close this one. On a side note, I just remembered you also have to enter subject. So subject, I'm just going to say this is today's hourly weather. All right. So you make sure you enter this thing, otherwise this is not going to work. Close it. All right. And now we execute the workflow. So go ahead, click on this. And now you should see a message, workflow executed successfully. So if you go to your Gmail account, you should see an email that should say what is the current temperature is. So come over here. And if you're not seeing it right away, just give it some time, give it like 1 or 2 minutes. And after 1 or 2 minutes, you will see your current temperature, whatever it was showing before. All right, students, I hope this session helps and you have some idea of how to perform automation using N8N.